It's a deck around the pool. Yeah. So I'm coming. This is it right here. All the progress for the day. Wonderful. You see? It's a pool, you see? And this all here is where I put the stake. This is going to be a platform. So I'm just planting all the posts. You see? Don't dig the hole, put cement in the post. So tomorrow I gotta strengthen it up and put up some more support. Then I start doing start laying the board on the platform. So this is what it's looking like right at this moment. Yeah. This is it right there. Start shaping up already. So by tomorrow, if no rain, you're gonna see more progress. Alright. This is day 2 on the pool, the deck we're building around the pool. The frame yesterday, we almost frame out the whole thing yesterday. And today now we come now, continue framing. Continue framing. And now that's the framing come around here. And now, you know, we start to put on the boards. This is one beautiful strong deck, I could tell you that. Yeah. You know? It's beautiful design and everything. So this is day 2 on this project. Coming along pretty well. So hopefully tomorrow we might get this other piece to around the cover. And then we gotta get deck, we gotta get rails go up right around all these edges. You know? Yeah. So this is day 2. Yeah. Have a wonderful day. On the deck. Yesterday we start and do this area here. And I come today and I do all this. So this is day 3 on this deck. 2 of us walk today. Yesterday we get a lot done on this deck. And it's 2 of us walk today. And if we have enough material, we're gonna have this small area here put in place. So since we didn't do that, we're gonna do that tomorrow. Yeah. Coming along pretty well. Yeah. We do a nice job, you know. Make our customer happy at all time. Tomorrow now, come and finish this patch right there. Straighten it, then we're gonna start the rail. So I believe this project have at least 2 more days to go. If I get another carpenter with me tomorrow, most likely, we're gonna almost finish. So, this is the platform right here. This is the platform so you could see the shape. This is a platform and a step's gonna go right here, and then that's the deck goes around there. beautiful, right? Okay. Well, the deck has complete now. The deck has complete. So this is the product that I has made. Finally come to an end. Finally. This is where it's a platform here where you could relax. You have access here and back and all the way goes around there. Well, it's my project, so I gotta be inside it.